Afroz Okinda. Kawachako ni Obila orakore gi jodak e gwenge ma Mukuru Kwa Njenga kalore gi ywaruok e wi dero jogo mawachore ni odak machiegni gi kanyo mowinjore yare apaya machiwo yo nyaka e ute manengogi olor mayande jatend piny William Ruto ya wayanga dwe mar 12 higa mokalo. Kalore gi gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja mpoko ng'ere ni en ng'a madwaro yaro apaya makanyo mar ni kaunti ma Nairobi kod duol mochung' ne kunga piny kura duto ne ok ochwalo kwayo mar chenro makamano. Sakaja mane oten kod jaod bura ma Embakasi South Julius Mawathe kod MCA ma Mukuru Kwa Njenga omedo ni nyaka man yore mag chulo jogo moyudo lal kod mago mautegi omuki.
And we must always remember that, we're here to serve the people. Even the police are here to serve the people, But if you're seeing what's happening, people have been, attacked. It is not right. These are bullets, It's not right. So we want to de-escalate the situation. We are taking the list of those who will need some compensation. But no agency, and this must be very clear, because we're in a devolved state, no agency can purport to do work that belongs to the county without sign-off from the county government. We will not have that in Nairobi. That cannot happen. There's a reason why we have devolution. How do you have feeder roads that are county roads being marked? They have not been passed by our planning committee, our planning team. Our roads chief officer are not, is not aware. The CEC is not aware that a decision is made at another place. The president has spoken to, he says he's not aware. It must stop. Because we can't do this to our people, This is completely wrong, and I really, really apologize to the people here. And we've stopped it. It will not happen.